What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about my garage project plus my 2018 plans. Well, it's kind of a mess right now, but this is the workbench that we've been working on. Built my dad's toolbox into it, which I thought was pretty cool. So it's just kind of like it's part of the workbench now. I got some Dremel tools in there. And up here we got pegboard. All the tools up here. Now I got to show you something awesome. Flip this switch. Really good lighting in this workbench. Got everything you could possibly need, every tool, every screwdriver. What we don't have on here, got in this toolbox, my toolbox, which is a mess right now. Frankly, the whole garage is a mess right now, guys. I mean, everything's displaced because we tore down the workbench that was here and we're framing up basically a replica of this workbench. We're gonna have a saw built in here and a saw built in over here. And then this is going to be the workbench area with pegboard and then shelving on top. And then up here we have two layers of shelves. The first layer is basically stuff that I use a lot, like different saws, different tools. And then up here, more deep storage. As far as other projects go, this is my 1800cc motor I got for 20 bucks. I filmed a little bit of it, but I never put anything on my channel. I got the heads off and stuff, but I mean, this thing is really far gone. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. After I get it all the way torn down and get the case fully split, you can see it's already partially split. Once it's fully split, we're gonna really assess it and see if I can fix it for a reasonable price. If not, got it for $20, not a big deal. And then there's this. I made a video a month or two back. I really haven't done much since that video. Kind of been preoccupied with this whole project because I need a space to work in order to make something beautiful. But I got a few more months to finish this. Plans for the autocross build. High rod ends. I'm trying to think what else. Just basic tune-up. Here's something else really cool I wanted to show you guys I made. So I had these old skis that I made them into shelves, and I got all my car cleaning stuff on this one, just like basic detailing products and stuff. And then up here I have all spray paint. I have pretty much any color of spray paint you could want. Alright guys, so stay tuned for some awesome future videos. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you have to do, do it. Dislike if you want to. I plan on having some really cool content for the upcoming year, and I really hope to take you guys along with me.